What time is it, Dave?
It's 11:37.
What time is Bubba's tea time?
11:56.
Are they here?
Ooh, I don't think so. But I'm gonna get a hold of them.
Well, they have 19 minutes yet. I'm sure they're close. Right? Bubba.
Hey, Bubba. Your clubs and shoes are out in front of the drop-off for all the clubs. So those are Chris's shoes, actually. All right, see you in a few. Boy, Mac's already on the driving range.
What?
Yeah.
Statler?
Other boy. Did you check it?
Mr. McKinley, may I have a time check, please?
I believe it is after 11:40 something.
Geez, I asked him. He's not interested.
11:55.
It is 11:55. What's Bubba's tea time?
11:56.
Oh. So, Dana, if my math is correct,
He's late.
Bubba still has 1 minute to get to the tee box.
Bubba time, he said last night. Bubba time. You make it?
May I have a time check, please?
There he is. Right on
Still 11:55. And
Hallelujah.
Hello,
Oh,
boys.
no.
Look who has arrived.
Morning.
Right on time.
Hello,
Oh, yeah.
boys. We
You're
know
on the
what
tee box.
happens when you
Get
don't
this thing
arrive on
going.
time. You leave us.
Now on the tee from Oviedo, Florida, Jeffrey Todd Seegers and Heather Seegers.
Oh, hold on.
In the hole. Perfect. Look at that, baby.
Mac drains the bird!
Perfect.
Woo! Where are we?
Do is after their balls like that, they trace it back and they fix their ball mark. I know this doesn't happen to you much. But see, here's your mark, and then what you do is you take a tee and you like that. Here again.
Mac made a mark on the green.
There you go. Yes, sir.
Nice shot.
Hell of a shot. Look at that.
Woo!
Man. What's now draining? Right
Yeah.
in there.
Yeah. Keep it in the hole though.
She said.
Like that.
Money, baby! Big money! Oh!
Another birdie!
Wow.
Woo!
So don't be shy. Knock it in the back of the cup.
Going for birdie number 3 on the front 9. Eric Burks.
Maybe. No,
Oh.
sir.
He was robbed.
Oh. Like,
Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, Jesus.
All right, about another inch to the inside edge.
nice.
Birdie!
Oh!
Birdie!
Dano!
It's a matter of
Bird!
mechanics.
Nice.
That's like,
Maybe left edge. Get.
go. All right, it was moving. Almost.
A little shy.
Don't be afraid of it. Just knock it in.
Oh, scream.
Oh,
Come on.
God dang it, I scuffed it.
Fuck.
Yeah, tree caught it.
I like it. Hold
Sit.
on.
Bleeding,
Hold
bleeding.
on.
Sit down. Sit.
Beach.
Little bunky.
Bleeding a little bit too.
Sit down. Sit. Be short. Stop. Okay.
Short of the bunk.
All right. That's a good layup.
Yes. All right. I believe in this shit. Am I hitting again? Yeah. 3-iron here selected. In the big bunk.
All right.
Oh, G-Train, baby. Look at that.
Holy
Holy
crap!
Yeah, George is on it today.
George, man.
He's on his best behavior too.
What?
George is some good shots.
Our friendship says. Jeez Louise.
All right. Nice. Nice. It's leaking a little right.
Gosh.
It wasn't bombs, but it went to the right too much.
Whoa.
Well struck.
Well done.
Yeah, go right, go right.
Get over, baby. Get over.
Oh, it's over.
Oh, it's way over. Shit. Keep an eye on it.
I feel good on this one.
Oh, man. Good strike. Good strike.
We're over there together.
Thanks, man.
Aging Dr. Wainwright. Oh, well, I have back work.
Well, it's out there though.
Where is it?
Up out for the
Is
first
that
wave.
the?
Nice. Well done. Down the middle. That's the way to start.
We're playing best ball, right?
That's how you
Scramble.
do it, boys.
Okay, well, best ball.
Yep.
That's how you swing.
Shit. Fuck.
I thought that's where
You said you didn't want to go there.
don't want to go there.
Follow it.
All right.
It's a fucking $4 go.
Straight.
All right, we got one in the short grass. Now you guys can go for it.
Oh.
Hey, we should have said Molly on the first tee.
We still might.
That'll play.
Oh yeah,
Okay, Mac.
low screamer.
Grip it and rip it.
I think you might have beat Heather. Well
Not
struck.
bad. Just a little left. Again,
Little.
not bad for a 1-year app.
Okay. We got one good one.
All right. The GoPro.
We're ready to go.
Hello. Do we know where we're going? Well, where's the next tee? And they're off.
I forgot. That was mine.
for anything. What?
Is that it, Mandy, right there?
CNN.
Yeah, it's Wilson too. I mean, it's not a range ball, so.
We got you. We got it. Yep. That's him.
Yeah. So he's gonna- Precipitously close.
Let's see, what do we do for order?
Doesn't matter.
Whoever's drive, goes last.
Okay. Buck 20, you say?
Yeah.
Is it 130, right?
I think it's about 130, especially with that pin in the back.
Do it by,
Okay. Come on up, come on up, get up, stay. So close.
Almost.
Lady Luck was not smiling upon you, Dano.
Dr. Wainwright.
Hang on, let's see if it goes into the. I don't know. You're good? You're okay?
Stayed.
All right, Dave, we really need you here.
All right, where that flag is
Yes.
where I'm trying to go.
Put it really close to that.
All right, check it.
Like right next to it.
All right. Easy 8.
Sounded like decent contact. Where'd it go?
Some wayward.
Oh boy.
I think it went leftage.
All right, Polly, you're carrying us right now until we wake up.
Popo.
Yeah, Wilson ball.
Come back.
Cut, baby, cut.
Left side, left side.
All right, okay.
Yeah. Bowman, you're gonna have to pick it up a little bit. That was. How'd you guys do in the first one?
Actually, Bubba helped us out really well. I did shitty.
Chris, give me a number.
Oh, 5.
Bogey?
Yeah, you guys?
We're sitting 2.
Oh, that was nice.
That's all right.
Wow.
Get your putter, boys. We're gonna make a
Wow.
birdie.
I really am sorry about it.
Sorry about that.
But that's a good lag.
Yep, good. Birdie putt?
Yeah.
Stay up.
Great, no break.
Oh, this guy's hitting over to us now.
Dave, what I would do, I would try to hit the, I would try to hit the GoPro.
Yeah, that's what I try to do.
Just hit the GoPro. I like it.
Oh!
You little bitch. Hang on.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, wow.
Are you kidding me? Oh.
Can I put? Sorry, doctor. Oh, man.
It would have been immortalized on video. She would have been on YouTube in 5 minutes.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Fuck.
We'll take a par. We'll take a par and not be happy with a par.
Tough hole. Would have been great to get a birdie on that one. What he said.
Par. That's it.
Fuck.
Pretty bad when pars piss you off.
Fuck.
I'm used to birdies today.
No, that's fine. No. It is, yes, the one that I bought. No, it's not. GT Solo. Well, rock lad.
Come on.
Being up.
Get up. Nice.
On the putting green.
Well done, Mac.
2 for 2 we are.
Who's got my good time?
Mac and I have both reached.
Come on.
Now let's see if the kid can reach.
Sit. Sit down, sit down, sit, sit, sit.
Yeah, that was way too much. Too much
Wow.
trouble.
That was real strong.
That looks good. That could be going in. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Three good
we got
ones.
another dancer. We got 3 dancers. And Pullman. I think it's rolling.
Turn left onto Olympus Drive.
Water, we get there. Juno Beach, baby.
But if you close your eyes, but if you close your eyes,
Today's biggest dance hits and remixes. Pump it up loud. Yeah. Sirius XM.
are you with me? 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 I wanna dance by water with the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas, watch the moonlight. Listen to the Mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water with the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas, watch the moonlight. Listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water with the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas, watch the moonlight.